Adobo for today's ulam. First, I'm cutting the onion. Okay. Peel it off, and then we're gonna wash it. Your onion. Sit, and then we're gonna have to do. This is our onion, and then garlic. Now garlic. We got our onion. I'm gonna put it in.
Can I help you?
Yes.
Can I help you too?
Not everybody wants to help me now. So see if the garlic are still good. This is our garlic. Come on. Garlic.
Mama, why did you put that we made?
So we can peel it easy. Smash it. Once you smash it, it's gonna look like this. And then we're gonna peel it. I'll tell you when to stop.
Okay guys, so we're gonna put some oil.
Go. No, so that's it. That's enough. That's enough. It's a little too much, but that's okay. We're gonna wait for the oil to warm.
And then after that, you're gonna get your rice.
You can ask the flowers. I sat for hours telling all the bluebirds about Billy Cooper.
Let's do the leftovers.
Rinse it. Pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you.
Scrub daddies, so you guys could use whatever. Just make sure it isn't dirty though. And then when it's like that all the way, we're gonna rinse now. But I put it too cold because I don't like it hot. Okay, so then it's like that. Just dry my hands. So then, now we just put it. Okay?
Once you set that up for 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna get back to you so we can make food, okay?
Okay, so yes. So the garlic. But there's
That's okay, that's fine. This is our first time making adobo for us.
And then we mix. So we mix.
Once you smell it, that's the aroma of the garlic, then you can add the
Onions.
yes, now you can add the onions. And you mix and you caramelize the onion.
Mix. Chicken. All of them?
All of them.
Look, do I move this?
Just put everything inside. Just put this all inside.
I'm gonna put that right there for now. Putting that?
More? Put everything. Because we're gonna just mix it. Just put them all.
Pudding. What happened?
Wow. It's gonna be all adobo.
Okay.
And then all you have to do is try to mix it as much as you can.
How?
Be careful. That's fine. As long as it's not hot, just make it however you feel like comfortable. We got this.
Can I do it too?
You can, whatever works for you. Be careful not to slip the.
Okay, I'm using two because I can't use one. Stella, use your eyes.
Nah.
What happened? Just not that. Trust the process. Trust the process, guys. process. It's gonna turn out good. Just process.
Learning process. Oh, Nikki's making that. I'm gonna have to. Abby, you wanna help? That's fine if you don't want to.
Yeah, sure. Mix it with, huh?
3. That's Addie. She's making white rice. And then just wash it 3 times and then you put 3 cups of water.
And then what?
Wash it 3 times and then put 3 cups of water. Alright, now Nikki's just waiting for the...
Now what can I do?
Just waiting. Now you can dance.
Wake up in the morning feeling like the city. I just want to grab my glasses and out the door. I'm gonna hit this city. I'll leave brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack. Cause when I leave for the night, ain't coming back. Wake up in the morning feeling like the city. Grab my glasses, I'm out the door. I'm gonna hit this city. Before I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack. Cause when I leave for the night, I ain't coming back. Now what do I do?
Now you have to wait for it and then you can flip it again. Okay. And then what we're gonna use is soy sauce, patis. Toyo. We have vinegar, which is, what's vinegar? What's the vinegar again? I forgot. Vinegar is suka. Yeah, suka, langgao, suka. And we have the sugar.
Brown sugar.
Yes, we can also add some salt and pepper to taste that. And then what?
Salt.
Oh, we don't have the thing anymore.
I ain't coming back. Smells good.
Yeah, you're doing good. That's very simple.
Look at Abby.
If it gets... Oh, what the heck? Flip it. If it's...
I didn't.
Okay, and then flip again. There, careful. What are you doing?
It's a big.
That's
good.
And then cover it up. Olipop. Olipop.
I like the cream soda one.
I like the classic grape.
Here's this ASMR.
This is my serving. So
This is my
taste
part
test.
serving.
Taste test, B. I haven't tried it
She's
yet.
the judge, so
Yes.
she needs to see if it's good or not.
Yes, let's see if they did a great job with the rice. The rice looks good to me already. Good job. Kudos to Ali. This is Nikki's work. Let's see.
Yeah, they are great.
See the rice with the sauce. Hot. Good job, Nikki. Not too sweet, not too sour, not too salty, just right. Isabella's eating hers too. There you go.
I'm getting sweaty too.
I know, I turned the AC on. And the olipop.
Here she comes.
I made a mess, don't worry. That's when the chicken was hot. And I was stressing out to cut it. No, nobody's going to cut it. Well, that's how I eat it. Duh.
That's how I eat it.
Duh.
That's how I eat it. Mom. I said mom.
Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.
It's just Chessa's mukbang.
Mukbang. No, it's Nikki's cooking and Addie's. Alright, guys.
Ali's and Nikki's mukbang.
Comment down below what you guys want for them to cook next time. And we'll figure it out.
And
Right.
guys, don't forget to try this.
Wait, would you put it in the screen?
And always trust the process.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below for the next food. Bye, guys.
Bye.